Ashwin, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. So, Ashwin, I checked your homework, but I couldn't see any
Yeah.
links.
Oh. Oh, I think I forgot to
Put the link.
send the link on the Facebook. Yeah.
Okay. So, can you share them with me?
Yeah. Okay, let me share my screen. Okay. Send to
Okay. So, this is a grade. And do you
yeah.
mind explaining to me what have you done here? Okay.
Okay,
So,
so yeah, you needed the grade from, so I just got if it's for more than 97 A plus, more than 94 A, so I did with all of it all the way
okay.
until F.
Okay, that's fine. And then next.
Okay, then here's the seasons.
Uh-huh.
I just got it. You enter a season and then you'll print out what the spring, the date.
Okay,
Yeah.
fine. But did you test when you enter when you enter here a season that is not starting with capital and there is
Oh,
capital letter in the middle?
yeah. Because it's ignore case. So I type like lowercase s with capital P, lowercase r, capital I,
Okay,
and it still
perfect.
worked. Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Okay. What else?
Okay, this I had problem with.
But wait, go up, please.
Yeah. Okay.
But I wouldn't recommend putting else this way because, okay, now can you try to run these seasons?
Yeah, sure. Yep. Let me
Okay,
just put
enter anything that is not in the normal seasons. Enter norm, NORM.
oh yeah. Yeah. Hmm.
So now
Okay.
you have to be careful with the last else statement.
Right. Okay, sure. I can
And
just
no, it's okay, it's fine, but you need to understand only the concept. And the same goes to the grade. So if I put any grade like Z, it will also produce F.
right. So I need another I
And
need
another
the
else. Yes.
last
So
one to be
to
invalid.
cater, yes, exactly.
Yeah.
You have done it before, so I know that you
Yeah.
just only maybe forgot or something, but I
Yeah.
know the concept.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we go to, yeah. So show me what is the problem here.
Okay, so for this,
Mhm.
like, okay, I got this, but I couldn't because I need to get the activity factor and the TDEE for like the different. I need to use the input they use here, they provide here
Mhm.
to get whether it's like what the activity factor is. Then I need to include if it's male or female. Then I need to put it in here. So it's like I didn't know how to get all that in one. I don't know like how to say it. Like
Okay. But
yeah,
okay. So I would say, so you see here, this line, 732.
yeah, yeah,
Okay. You see here. So if we have in an else statement something that is so much repetitive like this, let me adjust please here, and this and this. So all this is
yeah,
repetitive here. So
yeah,
it means that there is a chance that we can put this at the bottom. So what is
right,
difference here? So A refer to the resting factor. What you need to get from all this is only the AF, right?
yeah,
Why you
yeah.
put the AF here 106?
This I was just testing if it would work, if I like if my code would work. But I was trying to get put an equation here, but I
Okay,
couldn't. So for both of these, yeah,
okay, fine. So this A and B is actually is the one that is going to decide your activity level, right? So
yeah,
this activity level, based on this, you will have a different value here. but the value will differ from man and woman. So it means that, okay, first we're not going to calculate the TDEE here. We are going to calculate it totally at the bottom. So this and the BMR is going to come at the bottom. Only the AF will remain here. Okay.
Right.
So okay, now when the AF remains here, but we still have male and female, so we need to put an if statement inside this. After removing that, this and this and this, we will put an if statement. So this if statement,
if male is female.
yes, and then we will assign a value to the AF, and at the bottom you will come to say BMR multiplied by this AF at the bottom.
Yeah. Okay. I see. So all this I don't need. Yeah. Oh, I had another problem with this. When I run the code, wait, let me do it. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. When I run the code, it doesn't let me, like, I can't input a gender. Like if I run this code. Oh, wait. 6. Okay. Let me put this to the right. What is this problem?
Typically, it must be some kind of if, yeah.
Oh yeah, else if needs 6. Okay. Then here's a good problem. Oh yeah, here I can. Let me just erase this. Yeah, okay, when I print this, there's an issue.
Okay, you tell me first what is the issue, and then because you have to define the AF before you start to put something.
Yeah.
So you have to put back the 2 lines that you removed.
Yeah. Okay. Then I'll just this is why I just
No,
put
no,
a
no.
random.
You just initialize it with a 0, for example.
Yeah, like that.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, the problem was this with this gender. Oh, I put double. I put 1.6, whatever, and whatever. Okay. Just put any random numbers. Okay. Okay, like if I put, okay, I can put any name like this. Okay, BMR, I can put any number. Okay. Okay, then see, it doesn't let me input a gender. Even though I have this, it just skips to this where I do my A, B, C, D, E, F.
Interesting. Okay.
Yeah.
Next level, next line, next line. But you have done this gender before in an exercise, am I right? You have checked.
I've done something like this. Yeah.
Yes,
before.
you go and search in your code and check what have you done when you enter a gender before. You already put all the lines here, so most probably that you have the same when you are you just search Control F.
Okay.
Just stop, and then you write Control F.
Okay. Oh.
Gender. This is only gender. I believe you have no.
Is it because it's commented or no?
No. Just try to move if from here. You see this. This
okay.
will allow you to. Yeah. More up. So you see here how we have done it.
Yeah. But yeah, it's like this, right? So if I have this there, it should still ask me for my gender before it goes to, right?
Yeah.
Like
That is
before
right.
it continues with this, it should ask me for this.
Gender. Okay. What if you try to move this to here?
Okay. Move, okay. Yeah, okay, now it'll ask me for my gender. Oh, okay, now it's okay. Now it works perfectly fine.
Okay, now.
Oh, but now, yeah.
Yeah, we'll have to check where is this invalid letter coming from. But this is the. I mean, this is not an error in the code. It is just. It's just your if statement. So. Did we put? So what did you choose here? Let me see. Can you run again? Did you choose anything here?
Choose anything. No, I didn't get to choose here.
Why? It doesn't allow you?
Don't. Yeah, it's like if let's say I put Ash.
You just skip it?
I put M. If I put let's say I put 12.5, enter, the whole thing just prints. It doesn't let me choose A, B, C, D, E, F.
Oh, interesting.
Earlier it didn't let me choose the gender, now it doesn't let me choose this. Because I should be able to choose after this
okay, may I because okay, so I would recommend that you so open this. I think here I want you to duplicate this file.
Okay.
I think you have to open somehow. Okay, so you duplicate it and just change his name and make it the backup or write previous code or something like that. Okay, and then go to main again, and I want you to delete all the commented lines and only keep the one that we are running now.
So including this grade and season?
Yes, we are not needing them at the moment. So
okay, so all of this. Okay. Okay.
Okay, good. So I want you also to do one thing here. You go up, please. Yes, go more. Okay, now wait here. let me see, where do you wait for? Okay, I would say please remove the word line and keep only the next. So right next with the brackets. Okay, and
Okay.
what else? What else? Yeah, and the same do it here, please. Oh, never mind. We do one change. No, no, don't change. We do one change at a time. Okay, so now run.
Okay.
You sure you already renamed that?
Oh, isn't. Oh well, this I need to rename also. How come it didn't save?
Press enter.
Okay.
Okay.
This also I have to change, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. Okay, there you go.
Okay, so okay, good. I wouldn't. You have to understand also that this is this platform, which is we are using online here. It doesn't reach the saturation that we can say it's a perfect compiler. So there is another compiler that we are able to use on your desktop, but this need installation. So I wouldn't say that this can really tahan many lines there. So I don't want to leave a chance for something that they have a problem at their website or something. So that's why I ask you to delete everything to make sure that we don't stay for long troubleshooting some problems that they might themselves have. Okay, now
Yeah.
okay, now my question to you now is that you already you're already printing the AF here, but where is the values from the table? When there is A, we have a value for the AF, and you have that in the table. Can you open the homework, please? Or at least, no need to share it with me. Just open it. There is a table.
Okay, let me open the homework here. Okay. Wait, so if I bring this here, do you see my code or do you see?
I see your code.
Okay. Okay, then let me open the homework. Okay. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I have it here.
So, okay, now you see the table is I mean, the slide is called activity table, and there is the values for the AF, for the male,
Yeah.
and for the female. Okay.
Yeah,
The
correct.
resting, we have the male and female the same. It's one. But and also goes for the sedentary. Okay, so both of them is 1.3, but light, moderate, very active, extremely active, all of them have different values for the male and female.
Yeah.
So but then you have to assign a value to the AF inside your if statement. So
Yeah.
you see, line 40, you're only printing the AF, but we don't want to really print the AF. We want to assign a value inside here. So for the A and B, we want to assign values for the AF,
Yeah.
not only print it. So how can you do that?
Hmm.
Is it difficult?
So yeah, I can use this. I need to put an if statement in my if statement.
Yes, you can do that, but in the first two, this one and this one, you don't really need to do, because the male and female, this one is having male 1.0 and 1.0, and here it's
Yeah, it's
1.3
the
and
same. Yeah.
1.3. So no need to make an if statement. It doesn't make sense. You just assign
Yeah.
AF equal 1.0, AF equal 1.3, but the
Yeah. So
remaining
I
you have
just
to put to a if statement inside the if statement. Yes,
yeah.
perfect, perfect, excellent.
Yeah. Here, so here I need an
If
I
statement.
I can just put an if
Yes,
inside here.
exactly. Yes, you can do like that. Yes.
Let's say if gender what is it equals ignore this M. Then I have this like that. Then I have it like this. Or actually, I can have it let AF equals 1.6. Then mm, okay, like
Excellent.
that should
Excellent.
work. Yeah.
Yes, exactly. And
So now I just need it for yeah, should be 1.7, 1.6. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
okay, good.
So that should be it for the AF. Oh, but then I want the AF to be printed here, right? That's what the output asks.
Yes,
So
okay.
actually, I don't need any of these.
Exactly. Yes. Because it's
Yeah.
repeating. So
And since I already identified here, now I can just that. Okay,
okay.
then for the TDEE, all I need to do is just calculate, right? So
Exactly. Yes.
here I can just put TDE. Oh, wait, did I identify it? Okay. Yeah, I'll do it below here. Because BMR times BMR times AF. That's all, right?
Yes.
So now it should be okay. Dash M. So I put
10. Okay, fine. Yes. Okay, fine.
well, there needs to be a double. But okay. Then I put like E. Yeah. Okay.
Is it 2.1 is correct? Can you please check?
Yeah. ME.
Okay, good.
Okay.
Mhm. Okay, that's good then.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So let me share the screen.
Yeah.
So the last thing that we stopped at was that one. So do you remember that is vowel?
Sorry.
So do you see the screen?
Yeah.
So this is a method, right? Is vowel. So
Yeah.
we're checking a string if it is one of these
Yeah.
six 5 characters. Am I right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So do you think that this is easy to make a lot of or like that?
Yeah. Okay.
So are you able to, which one is more easier in your opinion, to just write one statement return and you write all this with the or you
Mm.
write it with the if statement? So you write like that and then you put all these conditions here, and then you put else.
Oh, yeah, this is easier.
This is easier?
The all.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So can you try to write them, please? With a form that you like it.
Okay.
Okay. And then call the isVowel and check if it is, yeah, you can try with a Q, with the A, with the E, and confirm that the result is correct.
Okay.
So while you are doing that, can I ask you a question?
Yeah.
Why do you think we need an operating system on the computer?
If not, the computer won't be able to run what without an operating system.
No, it can run without an operating system. So before there is an operating system, did you hear about DOS before? DOS.
DOS.
Did you hear about Linux before, or Linux?
Yeah.
Okay, so do you know what is the difference between Linux and Windows?
Yeah, it's a different system. It's like Mac, Windows, Linux.
Yeah, but okay. So when should we use Windows and when should we use Linux? Any idea? Okay, so Windows is for okay, there is a lot of libraries and a lot of software written for Windows. Okay, Linux is free, and you can do a lot of things using the command line. So using a few command lines, you actually can do 3 or 4 things or 5 things that you need to click and open and do and using in the Windows with a mouse. But so if you want to do many steps, like, okay, go to this website, download the file, open the file, save it as a text, send the text to this email. So all this, for example, you are able to do it in 1 or 2 lines in Linux. But if you want to do the same in Windows, it might take you 10 minutes or 15 minutes, and you have to do it by mouse, one by one.
Right.
But in Linux, no, the things are slightly different. So it's more powerful, but you have to master the commands, how to do that. But so it's not for the beginner. Although there is a versions of Linux that is for normal users, but mostly people use it if they want to do some advanced work. And also there is one thing that you need to know, that using Windows, actually the amount of resources that is consumed by the Windows because of the graphics that is used in the Windows, actually it consumes a lot of memory and a lot of processor. So if you want to run Windows, you have to get a new machine. If you use an old machine, it will be slow. But Linux, the machine that does not really work with Windows, can run very fast with Linux. Okay, so if you got a laptop or a computer that is 15 years ago and it cannot run Windows anymore because it's slow, you put Linux on top of it. It's very fast and very normal, and you can really use it in work. Okay, so it means that the operating system consumes less amount of memory inside it. Okay, so do you know something about open source? Do you know what's the meaning of open source?
I've heard it before.
So okay, Linux is not owned by a company. It is a person who really a developer from Finland who developed it long time ago, and then developers from all around the world keep adding. So let me close first, and we open and continue that. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.